Welcome to Onkyo USA's how-to video series. Now that you have all the necessary components for your Dolby Atmos setup, here's how to position your speakers. Your typical surround sound setup is 5.1. Front left, center, front right, surround left, surround right, and a subwoofer. For bigger rooms and better sound connection, 2 additional speakers, surround back left and surround back right, can also be added. For your Dolby Atmos setup, 2 overhead speakers mounted at a 65 to 100 degree angle above the listening position is ideal for a small room or one listening position. To bring better sound to a large room or a second listening area, add another 2 overhead speakers, creating a 7.1.4 setup. The top fronts should be mounted at a 30 to 55 degree angle to the front of the listening area. The top rears should be mounted at a 30 to 55 degree angle to the rear of the listening area. These speaker positions will enhance your Atmos experience.
This is the left channel. Next, we have the center channel. Over here is the right channel. This is the right surround channel. Now the right rear surround channel. Next, the left rear surround channel. This is the left surround channel. The next sound you'll hear is the LFE channel.